So how do you link a subdomain from your cPanel to your GoHighLevel account? It's just a few steps. In this video, I'm going to show you how. But before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump into my computer and let me show you how you can link a subdomain from your cPanel to your GHL account. Let's go. Alright, so this is a sample of a GHL account. So this is my company. So where do you add in the domain that you can be used in sites, in your funnels? So first of all, you go to settings and then you scroll down. You should be able to see domains and URL redirects. If you cannot see it or you are using an account that's given by somebody, just make sure you have all the access. Alright, click on domain and URL redirect, click on it, and you can see here you can whether buy domain directly from GHL or I can just connect a domain. Alright, so currently I want to connect subdomain instead of using my main domain, so I just put connect a domain. Alright, so I want to connect it to use for my funnel, so I just click on connect here. So the domain, I want to put a subdomain, for example events, so I just put events offer dot wk.com. So this is my main domain, which I have already linked it into cPanel. Alright, so I'm not going to go through the video on how to link on cPanel because different hosting provider have different way. I'm just going to show directly how the cPanel will look like. So generally the cPanel will look like this. Okay, alright. So how to link the domain here, basically you just have to go to domains and you can see that there are a few domains here that's linked already. So one of the domain that I've linked, which is my domain, which is this WK. When you open it up, you can see my website. Alright, but I want to keep this as my website. I want to create a separate subdomain that can be used for GHL. So that's why I put the word offer in front. Alright, so where do I do this? So now I just want to put this offer.kenangwk.com, click on continue, and then you just connect your domain subdomain. I add record manually. Alright, so I just need to create a CNAME inside the cPanel. So go to cPanel, go to the main site, that's the cPanel. Then you scroll down. Okay, go to zone editor, click on that. So you can see I want to manage this domain. Manage. So it's actually very easy. Okay, you just add a record, click on CNAME, follow exactly the details, offer, and then you click on the required value, just copy here, paste it here. So you can see it shows offer.kenangwk.com, save record, and boom. So I created a CNAME record for this, and then you just have to click verify records. So you need 30 seconds, right? It's not so fast. Yep. So congratulations, I've connected the offer. So it's very fast nowadays. Last time it took a while. Alright, so you just proceed to finish and done. You can see here. So there's an error message here because I have not linked it to anywhere yet. Alright, so the moment you link it, then it will be gone. So what kind of action is required? I'm not so sure. Alright, so you can see it's not connected to any funnel. How do you connect the funnel? You just have to go back, go to sites. So you get funnel, website, and everything, right? You can do anything, digital marketing or whatsoever. So for example, I click on this. I just need to go to settings. Alright, then you select a domain. So you can see offer.kenangwk.com, click on that, and then you click save. Then automatically your funnel will be using that subdomain. Alright, so yeah, so that's how easily you can link the subdomain through cPanel into a GHL. Because if you have your own domain provider which is not linked to any hosting provider, then you can directly do it inside your domain provider page. But if you are already linked to cPanel, this is how you do it. Hope this is helpful for you. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. If you want to get a GHL account, free trial, just click on the link below as well. Okay, hopefully this is helpful for you. Again, if you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.